Pitchfork just named Who Am I? Either a lot of people call it Simma.
Yeah.
One of the 250 best songs of the 90s. What did it feel like to actually be in there? Because 250 songs come up basically a day.
Yeah.
And to know that you are in there for that song, how did that feel?
Well, yeah, to know that I am amongst the best 250 singer that ever released in the 90s. How would you feel?
How Beenie Man feels.
How would you feel if I wake up one morning and say, okay, this is how I feel. I feel happy.
Yeah.
I feel good. I feel great. I feel progressive. Because you see, you actually progress from where you're coming from. You're not really stuck into where you was. Like Beenie Man and Bun Tickle and up the whole again to get in and stuck there. You move.
Yeah.
You elevate from where you was.
Keep it moving.
It's a great thing.
Yeah.
It's a great feeling. That.
What do you think it is about Who Am I that made it such an iconic song? What was the thinking that even go into that song in the first place?
Who am I?
Yeah.
It's going.
Yeah.
It's who am I? Because every man want to be the girls and sugar. Or when you're not. All the guys who don't got a girlfriend, they want to be the girls and sugar. And this is the greatest thing. When you can sing a song that everybody can relate to, it's different
Yeah.
from when nobody can relate.
Yeah.
Good.
Do you remember actually recording that song and what the vibe was like in the studio recording that song there?
Wow. Oh, okay. I made the song. I actually ran to the studio. I was exercising to be exactly. I reached the studio at 6 o'clock in the morning. I wake up the producer. Yeah, he was naked. He was right. It was very embarrassing. I just want to learn because, yeah.
Yeah.
You know, you wake up a man in his house, his wife is there, and yeah, it was very embarrassing. But yeah, the song make like 9:45 in the morning, and by 10 o'clock everybody's at the studio, and they're trying to tell me that change the line. Like everybody is like saying change the line.
Which line?
Don't worry about it. I say conspiracy says. Yeah. I didn't change the line.
Yeah.
Line is still in the song. Song still went number one. Still went Billboard. It still get Grammy nominated. But we still do everything that the song did.
And just because if you change a line, the song might not have been as impactful.
Don't say nothing. Because they say something.
Yeah.
That's why I didn't change the line.
Rebel.
There you go. Yeah, bud.
If everybody said they liked it, you might have said, you know what, I might change this line.
Yeah, man, I changed the line. Everybody didn't like it. Everybody can't like you.
Yeah.
It's what I know. If everybody like you, something wrong. Yeah, you're going to do the Jesus thing.
Yeah.
And they got to end up on the wrong side.
When did you know that song was actually now a hit? Did you know right away recording it, or did you know a couple weeks later?
Yeah, I never brand new be my Simma.
Yeah.
Who got the keys to I don't business about the next line? How can I make love to a fella? That's the question. Why you questioning the question?
That's the line there. I got you.
Why are you questioning the question? There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beenie,
Because he want to say, they want to say I and I.
Yeah.
But I say, oh, can I?
Yeah.
And that was their problem. And the ladies sing, how can I, you see? Yeah, and then the ladies sing, I and I make love to you. The ladies do that, and they do that. They sing that. They literally sing that. Yeah. So, How I care about a guy. Who are you for me to be remindful of?
Just like that.
Hey.
Besides Who Am I, what would you say are another two extremely impactful songs in your career? They were very pivotal in your career, some way, somehow.
You're talking about? All right. My first hit song was World Dance. I want you dance, I be in the fine again.
That was your first hit.
Yeah, that's my first, no, international hit.
Got you.
Don't get it twisted. Yeah, that's my first Billboard song.
Yeah.
And then I did the oh na 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 oh na na na, yeah. So yeah, I would say them song there kind of prevailed me to the person that I am.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.